What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today we're diving into the top 5 best digital torque wrench options to help you tighten with total precision and zero guesswork. Whether you're working on cars, bikes, or DIY projects, these tools deliver accuracy you can trust. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the TaskStar Digital Torque Wrench. The TaskStar Digital Torque Wrench gives you precise and reliable tightening power that takes the guesswork out of every job. This 3x8-inch drive tool covers a wide range from 0 to 220 Newton meters, which equals 0 to 162 foot-pounds, with plus or minus 2% accuracy, so you can work confidently on bicycles, cars, motorcycles, and all kinds of do-it-yourself projects without worrying about over or under-tightening. It offers 2 easy electronic modes. Peak mode captures the maximum torque you apply, while real-time mode shows continuous readings so you always know exactly what is happening as you turn. You can save up to 10 preset torque values for your most common jobs, and the tool even stores up to 400 sets of data, which makes repeated work much faster and more consistent without constant recalibration. The large high-definition LCD screen is super clear and easy to read even in tricky lighting. It lets you switch between Newton meters, pound force feet, pound force inches, kilogram force centimeters, and kilogram force meters instantly, so you never have to stop and do conversions yourself. TaskStar made the interface simple and intuitive, which helps both professionals and weekend warriors get the job done right. A smart LED and buzzer alarm system keeps you safe from over-tightening. It lights up green with a slow beep at 80%, switches to yellow with faster beeps at 90%, and flashes red with a long beep at 100%. This dual warning setup gives you plenty of notice, so you can apply just the right amount every single time. The reversible ratchet head feels solid and durable, while the ergonomic non-slip handle fits comfortably in your hand even during longer sessions. TaskStar built it tough for heavy-duty use, yet kept it compact and lightweight. With a 72-tooth ratchet and just a 5-degree swing arc, you can work easily in tight spaces like engine bays, bike frames, or motorcycle parts where regular wrenches simply will not fit. It is also really portable and comes ready to store neatly in your toolbox or bag, so you can take accurate torque wherever the project takes you. The combination of high accuracy, smart features, and practical design makes the TaskStar Digital Torque Wrench an excellent tool that helps you work faster, safer, and with better results on every job. Coming in at number 4, we have the Shahe Digital Torque Wrench. The Shahe Digital Torque Wrench delivers precise and reliable tightening in a compact mini design that fits perfectly into tight spaces where bigger tools cannot reach. This mini digital display torque wrench from Shahe is excellent for automotive repairs, machinery work, motorcycle maintenance, and all kinds of bolt fastening jobs around the shop or at home. It comes with a large, easy-to-read screen that includes a handy backlight function so you can check your measurements clearly, even in dim garages or under vehicles. The accuracy is strong, with plus or minus 2% in the clockwise direction and plus or minus 2.5% counterclockwise, giving you confidence for both standard and reverse applications. You can operate the Shahe Digital Torque Wrench smoothly in either clockwise or counterclockwise directions, which makes it super versatile for different tasks. When you hit your target, the built-in buzzer and LED alerts kick in to warn you right away, so you stop at exactly the right moment and avoid over-tightening. It supports 4 different engineering units that you can switch between instantly, which saves time and eliminates manual conversions during busy work. The tool offers 3 convenient measurement modes, including live time mode for continuous real-time tracking, peak mode to hold the maximum value you apply, and preset mode where you can set specific torque targets ahead of time. You can store up to 999 sets of records, which is great for logging your work and reviewing data later without extra paperwork. Shahe also included practical functions like torque setting, unit selection, numerical storage, clearing data, and output options that make the whole process straightforward and reduce the expertise needed for accurate results. The ergonomic mini build feels comfortable in your hand during longer sessions, while the automatic shutdown after 5 minutes of inactivity helps conserve battery power so the wrench stays ready whenever you need it. With its powerful features packed into a small portable body, the Shahe digital torque wrench is a smart choice that brings professional-level precision to everyday projects and helps you get consistent, reliable results every time. At number 3, the Ariter's digital torque wrench. The Ariter's digital torque wrench brings fresh innovation to precise fastening with its newly designed build that stands out from the crowd. This digital torque wrench from Ariter features a noticeably larger display screen that makes readings super easy to see at a glance, even in busy workshops or tight engine bays. Ariter has optimized the internal structure of the ratchet head for smoother and more reliable performance, so every turn feels solid and consistent. What really sets it apart is the rigorous process behind each tool. Every Ariter digital torque wrench goes through professional calibration and thorough testing using high-end torque testers and standard procedures. This ensures the actual error stays tightly within 0.5% to 2%, giving you outstanding accuracy you can count on for automotive work, motorcycle repairs, bicycle maintenance, and all kinds of mechanical projects. As a company that specializes in torque wrenches since 2009, Ariter brings years of focused expertise to every product. They design these tools with real users in mind, which shows in the thoughtful details and dependable results. The comfortable ergonomic handle helps reduce hand fatigue during longer jobs, while the ratchet mechanism works efficiently in confined spaces where precision matters most. You will appreciate how the clear large screen displays your measurements with excellent visibility, and the overall build feels durable yet balanced in your hand. Ariter stands behind their professionalism with strong after-sales support, so you know you are covered if any questions come up down the line. The combination of larger, easy-to-read display, optimized ratchet performance, tight accuracy after careful testing, and long-standing manufacturing experience makes the Ariter digital torque wrench a trustworthy choice that helps professionals and serious do-it-yourself enthusiasts achieve consistent, reliable results on every bolt and fastener. In the second spot, we have the Kapmore digital torque wrench. The Kapmore digital torque wrench delivers accurate and consistent tightening that takes the guesswork out of every fastening job. This high-precision tool from Kapmore uses an advanced sensor system to give you reliable real-time measurements across multiple units, including Newton meters, foot-pounds, inch-pounds, and kilogram force centimeters, so you can match exact specifications for automotive repairs, motorcycle work, bicycle maintenance, and various do-it-yourself projects without any hassle. The large backlit LED display stands out as one of its best features because it shows clear torque values even in low-light conditions like under a car hood or in a dimly lit garage. You never have to strain your eyes or stop to grab a flashlight, which keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. Kapmore designed the interface to be straightforward so both professionals and home users can read and understand the numbers at a glance. When you approach your target torque, the wrench provides helpful audible and visual alerts with a loud ticking sound and a clear visual signal on the display. This combination warns you exactly when to stop, which prevents over-tightening and protects your bolts, nuts, and expensive components from damage. It gives you confidence that every fastener is done right the first time. Kapmore built this digital torque wrench with comfort and durability in mind. The ergonomic handle fits naturally in your hand and reduces fatigue even during longer sessions, so you can keep working without discomfort. High-quality materials ensure it stands up to daily use in busy garages or workshops while maintaining its precision over time. The overall balanced design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces where accuracy matters most. Whether you are a professional mechanic tackling complex engine work or a weekend enthusiast working on your bike, the Kapmore digital torque wrench combines high-precision sensing, an easy-to-read display, smart alerts, and a comfortable build into one reliable package. It helps you achieve professional-level results with less effort and greater peace of mind on every project. And finally, at number 1, we have the Movecrab digital torque wrench. The Movecrab digital torque wrench brings high precision to every fastening task and makes accurate tightening feel straightforward and dependable. This digital torque wrench from Movecrab uses an advanced high-precision sensor system that delivers consistent real-time measurements in Newton meters, foot-pounds, inch-pounds, or kilogram force centimeters. You can match exact specifications perfectly for automotive repairs, motorcycle maintenance, bicycle work, and all kinds of do-it-yourself projects without second-guessing yourself. The large backlit LED display is a standout feature because it shows torque values clearly and brightly even in low-light conditions, such as under a vehicle or in a dark corner of the garage. No more squinting or needing extra light, which keeps your work flowing smoothly and helps you maintain high standards throughout the job. Movecrab designed the screen to be simple and intuitive so both professionals and hobbyists can read it at a glance. When you reach the desired torque, the wrench gives you clear audible and visual alerts. It emits a ticking sound along with a visual signal on the display to let you know exactly when to stop. This smart system prevents over-tightening and protects your bolts, nuts, and components from damage, so you get precise results every single time. Movecrab built this tool with comfort and durability in mind. The ergonomic handle fits naturally in your hand and reduces strain even during extended use, which means you can keep going longer without fatigue. High-quality materials ensure it holds up well to daily demands in busy workshops or home garages while staying reliable over the long term. The balanced and solid construction makes it easy to handle in tight spaces where precision really counts. Overall, the Movecrab digital torque wrench combines accurate sensing, an easy-to-read display, helpful alerts, and a comfortable build into one practical tool. It helps you work with greater confidence and achieve professional-level results on every project you tackle. Precision makes all the difference. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more top tool reviews and tech picks.